guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the dosh of the wedding, that is the pre-wedding ceremony. So we are going to Panchwadi. So we are going to Naidala's place, which is Joshia's cousin. You know, in all my videos, most of the videos I say my girlfriend, my girlfriend, my girlfriend, but I think it's time we say Joshia now. Normally I don't call her by name, obviously, but I think for the videos at least I should say Joshua, because when I say my girlfriend, you know, it becomes like a stranger's thing, and like, you know, strangers kind of a greeting. So I was just thinking that, yeah, but the time right now is 11:30 and we were supposed to reach there like, you know, by 7, 8 like to record everything, but since my leg that wounds are not healing, so I went to meet the doctor and the doctor wasn't there. He came quite late. He went to some hospital for surgery, I think, I don't know where also. So then we got breakfast and all, and then we just moved out. So right now we are on the same Shelter Road and we'll be reaching approximately in 15 minutes. So we'll see where the procedures of the dosh have already reached. I think they wouldn't have started like I don't know what you call it in English, but English and Stir. Okay. So we'll see what, you know, exactly the status of the dosh is. So we'll just like hurry up now. So for the first time we will fuel up the car for, you see how much, and that's it, 10 rupees. no, actually, so we told her I think 899 or 799, and she put only of 10 did I take 1 rupee.
1 rupee na 1 rupee jibe karwa tha.
और इधर देखो ना.
Excuse me, 1 rupee.
So what happened was we told her 799 and she did of 790. So then the 9 rupees were left and we had already done the payment. So what, there was no other option that, and they cannot put, I think, below 10 rupees. So she put 10.
1 rupee free.
1 rupees free. So we have reached the bride's house and I think they have started the preparation for the dosh. You know, inside the car I was getting some petrol kind of a smell. I'll just check if she has, like, you know, closed it properly. She has closed it, but I don't know why the smell is. Oh shit, I'll just keep my glasses in here. So I'll just show you all, like, you know, what's going on and how everything is being done. They have boiled the chanas and I think they are grinding it. Auntie, ek kitna mithai isko kota hai dekha? हाँ, okay. एक शो को मिठाई नो शो को मिठाई देगा मागसाल त्याचे शोवी का टाइम होता है शो को मिठाई म्हणून हाँ ओके ओके
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो
बाप को भेज तेरे बस की बात नहीं
Thank you. ताबड़ गुणा तेरे.
So I just tried how we remove it. You know, it looks very simple, but it's quite difficult on how they are doing it. So I think, you know, we should be doing it when the chanas are out only. It's easy that time. No, auntie, they masha niula goro masla easy ata stole no. Okay, okay. So we are done. I don't know what the process is called of the chanas, but we are done with that. And here is the grated coconut. So I think we'll be mixing this with that for the dosh. Auntie, exactly kitko hota hai dosh? हाँ ओके आम्ही उजाचे दो तोले ओके 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 हाँ ओके ओके सो किती वॉटर मिक्स कोता आहे तो काय नाला होतो नाही नाही जाता म्हाका खबर ना हाँ ये काय म्हणटा मागीर कितको हाँ ओके 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 एक्चुअली I don't know how this is done, so I'm asking. Okay, okay. So I just came to know that, you know, for 1 kg of chanas, 2 kg of sugar is used. So the proportion is 1:2 itself. So sitting with auntie, I came to know a lot of things which I never knew. So like all the three ingredients are mixed. I think they'll keep it on the stove now. So we are making it separate, like in 3 containers. Ankit muda auntie, ऐसा अंडा को sautel. It is called sautel itself. So it is very difficult, to stir it in this. So they'll make small portions and do that. So we've got Baba watching my vlogs here. So he specially came to show me that he's watching my vlogs. Thank you. Do give it a like. 1 minute. I'll show you how to like, okay? Arey, where's my video? 1 minute. Where?
Wait a second.
Okay, sure. YouTube, go to YouTube. No, not there. Okay, he had downloaded my video and he's watching it. Okay.
So it's my boy's turn to stir the dosh. Yes, you can do it. Sarko mar re. And this guy failed miserably. आणि आता आमगे दोशी चाळ माता अकॉल बाय.
So they have told us to go inside because this is not our job that to be done. They are like, this is almost about to be done. That's why it's very hard. Both of them are very hard. So they are telling us to come for the next batch.
So it's almost done.
This is the first dosh that's getting ready. I think this is the one that will be sending to the groom's house. So my girlfriend is here with the task. Good job. Masha for samar paye चल काट झाली
Okay, next number.
Finally our dosh is ready. So this is how the final look of it has come. So we put stars, and these are gems. This is N and heart and S. So there's one more that's come. This is for the second day. We have called a professional to polish it. This one is for the second day and this one will be going tomorrow. So one more will be getting ready. For this we are putting all body stuff. They are here.